Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to this episode of Dirt Rally 2. This is the fourth race in my first rally. One, go. And I dropped from first or second to fifth overall, which isn't good. I have to be in the top three to move on to another level of rally. So I have to do a little bit of focusing here, which is tough. This is nighttime track. Oh, so the lower the number, the sharper. Whew. So this is the 4. This is the 5. Ooh, a little too much of the mountain there. 6 left, 5 right. This is the 6. This is the 5. Come on now. Stay on the track. Extra long. 6 right. This actually isn't left or right. Here's right. I need to adjust the settings on this so it's a little bit more accurate to when. 6 left. It's fun. Such a fun game, though. Absolutely love it. It's, of all the types of racing driving games, this is probably my favorite so far. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. About knocked my headlight out. 2 right long. 4 left. Okay, maybe it's not so far off. 5 right. 3 left. This is the 3. It's telling me I set it up. Let's see how far off it is. It's not. It's not bad, actually. So this is the 3. Yeah, there we go. That's not bad. Ooh, extra long after this. So 6 left and then extra long. That's the 6. Whoa, that's the 6 left. I don't see an extra long here, though. This is 3 and then 4. 3 sharp. Oh, it's right on. I think it's right on. This is the 3 sharp. 1 right. Yeah, we're good. Whoa, that is really sharp. I should have paid attention to that. Next one's 4. 2 sharp. So I always thought it should be the opposite way around. Like 6 should be the sharpest, but 6 is the mellowest. So 1s and 2s are really sharp. Like emergency brake sharp. See, 5 is almost straight. Whoa, no. Dang. Okay. Wow. I'm glad I landed on my feet. I didn't catch what this is here. Is this the 2 left? Yeah. 2 left, 2 right, 3 and then 4. 3 and then 4 is right in the middle. 2, there's a sharp one right here. 2. Whoa, too much. That's not an emergency brake. I'm not sure what Titans mean. No. I got to really focus on every corner, which is what I like about it. Which way? Which way? Which way? Oh my gosh. Really? Dude. That was bad. Wasted a lot of time there. I didn't catch left, and it looked like the end of a road. That was a surprise. Let's catch up some time here. 4 is like right in the middle. Oh, 3's in the middle, but 6 is mellow. Oh, I was trying to cut, and it said, don't cut. That was terrible. Look at that crash, man. Woo! Let's go. Beat that up pretty good. Come on, let's go. I was in first, so let's see if I can pull it out. That was a great crash. I probably tumbled 6 times. Six right long. 6 right 100. Six left, crest wrong. 6 and then 5, both left. Watch that. Now that I know those fences, those guardrails can take you out. Man. Let's go. 5 right, open 30. There we go. Come on. Watch this next turn, though. My speed's up pretty good. So take it a little bit slow through here. 6 left long over the crest. Careful. Oh, there was a big rock there. Woo! Oh! No. I'm going to have to recover. Dang it. Boo. Can I climb out of this? That was terrible. Oh, no. Guardrail? Over the guardrail. No. Can I just recover, please? Where's recover? I'm trying to recover. Oh, you have to wait. Ah! Second. I dropped a second because of that. Wow. That was bad, man. It was pretty good until that part. Man, so close, though. That was some... Oh, am I not there yet? Some terrible driving, but so fun. So fun. But terrible. But you can see how you can catch a race. You can do it in 5 minutes, and you can end here or keep going. It's really, really fun. So second place, and then 5th overall. That did not help me overall, and I have to be top 3. So come back and join me next time. We'll see if I can make the top 3 on my first time playing this game. I hope so. So fun. Pick it up. Dirt Rally 2.0. Catch you next time. For now, Mr. Johns is out.